Hey friends, if you wish to insert audio or sound files in PowerPoint, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for PowerPoint, open PowerPoint. I'll create a blank presentation, insert, and then you can try and insert anything here. You have to go to media, audio, and then you can select audio on my PC to pick up audio from your PC like this. Okay, or you can also record your own sound. Okay, it has a sound recorder. So hi, this is a recorded sound. Okay, we can also add a recorded sound, and this is a symbol, but this symbol will not show when you're trying to present it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.